Hi, this is Ann Levine of Law School Expert, and for today's 2-minute tip, we're going to talk about the LSAT and the rolling admissions process. It's amazing. You can now take the LSAT up to 6 times a year for the first time ever, which is great for law school applicants because you have less pressure. After all, the highest score is really the one that matters most. So if you need more time to reach your potential, you can take it. Now, the best times to take the test are going to be June, July, September, or November. Any of these will allow you to apply early enough in the cycle to take advantage of rolling admissions. But ideally, you want to submit your applications in September or October, which is really early in the cycle. There's no reason to rush and be the first application in the door. But statistically, with the same criteria, the same numbers, the same LSAT and GPA, you do have a higher likelihood of being admitted if your application is complete in the fall versus December, January, and to a huge extent, February. So plan ahead. When will you take the LSAT, and what's your backup for taking the LSAT if the first time doesn't go well? And plan out when to submit your applications in line with that.